Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Mazhab Loch. Today we will discuss about macromolecules. Macromolecules are the large molecules built up from many small repeating units joined together by a covalent bond. Small repeating units are the monomers. Monomers are the simplest or smallest units that cannot be hydrolyzed into further smaller units. Different macromolecules are made up of different units or different linkages. Different linkages means peptide linkage. It may be peptide linkage present in the amino acid and protein form. Generally, two types of the macromolecules: synthetic and the natural. Synthetics are the artificial molecules that are formed by the human beings, and naturals, are found in the living things. Definitions: a monomer is a small molecule that may be covalently bonded to other monomers to form a polymer. A polymer is a macromolecule formed when monomers are covalently bonded to form a long chain of molecules. Polymerization is a process whereby a large number of small molecules means that monomers join together to form a macromolecules. Macro means larger molecules that is formed by the smaller units, that is called monomers. Many small molecules means that many monomers are joined together to form a macromolecules, means that to form a polymers. Synthetic polymers that are formed by the human beings are the polythene, PVC, polyvinyl chloride that are used for the plastic bags, for the plastics pipes, sewage pipes, PVC pipes, Teflon for the clothing, polystyrene. Their uses and procedure we will discuss in the next slides. So go through in the next. One type of a polymerization is the addition polymerization. Addition polymerization means that monomers are joined together, breaking double or triple bond without losing any molecule or atom. In this type of polymerization, none of molecule are removed with the formation of linkages of the different monomers. Addition molecule. In this polymerization, two different molecules join together with the breaking of a double or a triple bond. For example, in the alkene, alkenes undergo addition polymerization whereby the double bond in alkanes and are changed into a single bond. You will see that formation of a polythene from ethene. One molecule of a ethene, the polymerization of ethene into a polythene, n number of molecules. In one molecule, this bond is break and new bond is formed between this monomer and the next one to form a n number of molecules. The n can be between 10,000 and 30,000. More addition polymers, the examples, name and the formula of the non-propene are after the polymerization it will be converted into polypropene, and the chlorothene vinyl chloride it will be converted into polyvinyl chloride, PVC pipes. Tetrafluoroethene and the polytetrafluoroethene, Teflon. Polythene, polyphenyl ethene. The next type is the condensation polymerization. Condensation means the removal of a water. It not means the removal of water. It may be the other molecule also removed. It may be something without other water. It may be water or not be water. Condensation polymerization occurs when a monomer units join together by the eliminating a small molecule like water to produce a polymer. Two main types of the condensation polymerization: polyamides and polyester. This is a nylon, formation of a nylon, 1-carboxylic acid, dicarboxylic acid and a diamine. These are the examples. 1-carboxylic acid contains hydroxyl group. One carboxylic contains This is the formation of a nylon. Amide linkages in the amino group. Hydrogen from the amino group and OH group from the carboxylic group with the removal of water molecule. Hydrogen from the amino group NH2 and OH group, the hydroxyl group from the carboxylic group COOH. Formation of the trilene made up of the dicarboxylic acid and diol. Benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid and ethene 1,2-diol. These are the examples. Uses of the synthetic polymers. Name uses polythene to make the plastic bags, shopping bags, sealing films also. Nylon to make a clothing, fishing lines and the paracords. Trilene to make clothing. PVC to make an insulator for the cables, covering of the metal or current wires cables to avoid from the electricity and to avoid from the dangers. Okay? That's polythene to make polystyrene to make a polystyrene disposable boxes, lightweight packages, disposable glasses, disposable box for the food, Teflon for cutting, cooking and utensils. Pollution caused by the non-biodegradable plastics. There is the main disadvantages of this plastics. Plastic cannot be biodegradable in the soil. It is polluted our soil water, and it cannot be decomposed by the bacteria, but the soil bacteria. Plastics are the relatively cheap, easily shaped. It can be shaped into many or any shape, converted into a shape. Light, tough, waterproof, durable. However, cannot be decomposed by the bacteria in the soil. Disposable usually by the burning, and this burning is much poisonous and possibly produce poisonous gases. Biodegradable plastics are required to solve the problem. Still, this is a main problem to the whole world, how to decompose this plastic. It cannot be burned because the burning of this plastic, it can produce large amount of different gases. The most dangerous or poisonous gas is the carbon monoxide. The other thing is the macromolecules, natural molecules. You know well, examples of the natural molecules are the proteins, fats, carbohydrates. They are the main constituents of the food, but with different units. Proteins are the building units of the amino acid. Amino acids, proteins have many amino acids. Almost 10,000 amino acids are combined to form one larger molecule of a protein. One amino acid contains carboxylic group, amino group and a long chain of alkane, and the fourth group is the hydrogen, or it may be other thing. And when the carboxylic group and the amino group are come close to each other with the removal of a water molecule, hydroxyl group from the carboxylic acid and the hydrogen group from the amino group to form a water molecule. With the removal of a water molecule, there is a link between two amino acids, and this link is shown, and the many amino acids combine to form a large number of protein polymers. Fat and oils build up from the glycerol and the long chain carboxylic acid. Fat and esters processes the same esters linkages and trilene, but with a different units. These are the examples of the glycerols, hydroxyl groups, triglycerides. Thank you. If you like this video, comment and share this video so much, and also press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.